Hello guys, this is a new video. I have set up here on gold scalping setup. I want to scalp this account. I have a $40 account here. I want to grow this account and see how far I can take it. So I'll be using awesome oscillator, bullish. Look at this. This is bullish divergence. Very simple setup. This is H1 time frame. So this is a clean buy setup. I'll be taking buys here on my $40 account. I want to see how far I can grow this. I'll be going full margin as usual and see grow this small account. So as you can see, the arrows showing the divergence. So this is a good setup. Let me now go to take the buys. Okay, I would have taken more buys, but since it's a small account, I can't take any more.
2 hours later.
There you go guys, in profits. Same trade, 2 hours later, in good profits, from $40 to $400. Let me show you. Yes, look at this. From $41 to $430. That's at least 10 times. I've grown the account 10 times. That's good profits. As you can see, the move was smooth and very easy. Clean setup. Sniper entry, not very sniper, but at least a good entry. Yeah, so I'll be closing this trade now because
Oh my god!
I think I'm happy with this profit. It's a small account. In any case, it can still go up, but for now, when I look at this zone, there can be a possibility of a reversal. So if I had more trades, maybe I would close a few of them and hold others, but since these are the only trades, so this is a zone I'm looking at. Look at this. Yeah, that is the zone. I think there's a possibility of reversal. That is support and resistance, S and R, but it can break that zone and still go up. But for now, let me close these trades. I'll be looking for another setup so that I can continue to grow this account, so that I can continue growing this small account. So there you go guys, I'm closing those trades. Let me close these profits. Okay, the last one. Nice. This is $425 from $41 to $425. A very good profit. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.